Hello students, welcome to Value Education class. Today we will learn about Poxo's experience in the secret cave. Yes students, today we will learn more about secrets. What are secrets and why children should not keep secrets. We will understand why we should not keep secrets, why it is unsafe to keep secrets for children. Poxo is going to share with us one of his experiences. One hot summer afternoon, Poxo was roaming in the jungle. He was all by himself. That means Poxo was roaming in the jungle all alone without any elder person. Soon he felt thirsty. But that day he had forgotten to bring his water bottle. So Poxo is now feeling thirsty and he searches for water. He decided to look for water but did not know where to find. Yes, he was in a new place, that too in the jungle. So he started looking around. As he was searching, he discovered a secret cave. Here students, you can see on page number 38 of your textbook, this is a cave. It is very dark and cold inside the cave. This cave is usually used by wild animals like lions, tigers and bears. So he is not in a very safe place. He found water and quenched his thirst. Quenched his thirst means he drank till he was satisfied. After drinking, he looked around. After drinking the water from this cave, Poxo started looking around here and there. There he saw hundreds of beautiful butterflies. Poxo was amazed. He didn't want to tell anyone about the secret cave. He wished he could always come here alone. So Poxo looked around here and there and he found the cave to be very mysterious. He found it very beautiful with all the colored butterflies flying around. He didn't want to tell anyone about his new discovery and he wished that he could always come here alone. But then he remembered what his mother had told him about secrets. It was a safety rule. Children are not supposed to keep secrets from their loved ones like papa, mummy, grandparents or class teacher. Keeping secrets is not safe for children. It is unsafe. Yes, my dear students, just like Poxo remembered what his mummy had told him, it was a safety rule that children are not supposed to keep secrets because it is unsafe. You must never keep secrets from your mummy, your papa, your grandparents or even your class teacher. This is for your safety. So Poxo decided that he will go home and tell Mama, Papa, Sana and Arpit about the secret cave. What did Poxo understand? He understood that he will not keep this place as a secret from his loved ones. He will go back home and share with them his experience and that they should know where he has been. So students, what have we learned today? What is the value we learned today? We learned that children should not keep any secrets. It is not a good habit and unsafe. Students, is there any secret that you have kept? Would you like to share it with your best friend Poxo? Yes, if you have any secret and you would like to share it with your best friend Poxo, then you must write down your secret here in this space. Okay? Then, here is a fun activity for you students. Can you spot the animal in this picture? Look at the picture carefully. There is a circle and there are dots in different shades of green, pink and orange. So, look at it carefully and you can also make an outline of the animal that you see in this picture with the help of the pencil. Now, we will move on to the next part of our lesson. Can you keep a secret? Just like Poxo, Sana too has to always remember to not hide anything about anyone from her loved ones. Children, it is not safe to keep secrets from your loved ones. Keeping secrets is not safe for children. Let's look here. Looks like it is Sana's experience. So Sana is out here in this open space and there is a lady. This lady is telling Sana something and Sana looks pretty worried. We have a little secret, just you and me. We will not tell anybody. Secrets are fun. This lady is telling Sana to keep some secret between them. Between this lady and Sana, there is a secret. And this lady is telling her not to tell anyone and that secrets are fun. Sana, but I cannot keep secrets. It is a rule for my safety. I will tell my parents if you give me an unsafe touch, a hug or a kiss. Sana looks uncomfortable and she realizes that means she remembers that it is a safety rule that she should tell her loved ones if someone is giving her an unsafe touch or a hug or a kiss. Then this lady further tells her, please keep my secret or many bad things will happen to you and your family. It will be shameful for you. This lady is trying to threaten Sana. Okay, she's trying to warn her and tell her that Sana, you better keep a little secret, otherwise all bad things are going to happen to you and your family and it will be a shameful thing for you. Sana says, that is not true. Ma told me if someone frightens or scares me, I must tell her right away. Sana believes that her mom and her family will always protect her and that she should not keep any secrets from her family. I know I have done nothing wrong. It is not my fault, you see, and there is nothing to be ashamed of. Yes, my dear students, just like Sana, you all too should remember that if someone gives you an unsafe touch, a hug or a kiss, and you are not feeling good about it, you don't feel safe about it, you don't like it, you must go and tell your mummy, your papa, your class teacher or anyone who's close to you in your family, because it is not your fault and you should not feel guilty about it. Poxo was happy that Sana did the right thing. Sana did the right thing by telling this auntie that she is not going to be afraid of her and she is not going to hide anything from her family. We should not be ashamed of the wrong things that others do. Yes, my dear student, this is the value we learned today in continuation to our lesson, that we should not feel ashamed of the wrong things that other people do because it is not your fault. Safe secrets let you feel good about yourself, but some people may want you to keep unsafe secrets. Unsafe secrets make you feel bad, angry, sad, ashamed or confused. Students, there are happy secrets that make you feel good and there are unsafe secrets which usually make you feel bad, they make you feel sad, they make you confused, ashamed and angry. So you should be able to recognize and identify which kind of secrets you face and how you should handle them on time. What if the following things happen secretly? Can you tell which one is safe and which one is unsafe? So students, this is an activity for you where you have to write S for safe. I'll just write it, it's too light here. S for safe, U for unsafe and C if you feel confused. So here 4 situations are given on page number 41 and you have to write if the situation is a safe one. And so students, let's see what we can do about these secrets. That is, which ones are safe secrets, which secrets are confusing, and which secrets are unsafe. So, the first situation given in your textbook is, it is Teacher's Day and a group of children in your class are planning a dance for teachers. So, you and your friends from your class are planning a dance for your teachers, and after practice, someone from your group says, what we did is a secret. That means we are not supposed to tell our teachers that we are practicing a dance for them. What kind of secret will this be, students? This will be a safe secret. So you write S here for safe. Next, you are playing hide and seek with your friends. You can see the picture. Friends are playing hide and seek outdoors. One of your friends says, let us change our clothes to deceive the seeker. Yes, students, one friend suggests that let us change our clothes to deceive the one who is seeking for us. What kind of secret is that? It is very confusing. It is very confusing. You may just wonder whether you should do it or you should not do it. So it's not a safe secret. Third, an uncle picks you up in his arms even though you have told him no. Remember, students, we learned through Sana's experience in the earlier lesson that saying no is a very big way to keep yourself safe from unsafe touches, and that you do not like it. He says, you will like what I will do, but don't tell anyone. This is definitely an unsafe secret, students, and you should not hide this from your parents or your teacher or any loved ones in your family. You should let them know what this uncle's intentions are. It could be an uncle, it could be an auntie, or it could also be someone in around you who is a little older than you. Next, an uncle always shakes your hand to say hello. One day he secretly presses your hand badly and hurts you. Yes, my dear students, this is surely a very confusing secret where you are left with mixed emotions. You don't feel good about it, you feel upset about it, you feel confused. So this is a confusing secret which you should surely and definitely share with someone in your family and tell them that you do not like it when this person shakes hands with you. So students, we learn the value that children should not keep any secrets. They should share all the unsafe secrets, or if somebody has asked them, even if the person is known to you and they do or they say something, or you see them into some action which you feel is not safe, you must share it with your family or with a person you trust. Okay, it is not a good habit and it is unsafe to keep secrets. That means it can also be unsafe for you. So students, you please go ahead, read this lesson with your family members or with your friends, and I will meet you in the next value education class. Till then, stay safe, study well. Goodbye.